Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 31. We are on Unit 3, Lesson 4, Language in Use. Activity 1, complete the survey for you. Write yes, I have, or no, I haven't. So number 1 to number 6, so this is totally up to you. So maybe different people will have different experiences. So let's take a look at number 1. So have you ever been camping? So if yes, so you write as yes, I have. And number 2, have you ever put up a tent? So maybe no. So no, I haven't. So N followed by apostrophe and then T. Number 3, have you ever slept in a sleeping bag? So maybe yes. So yes, I have. Number 4, have you ever carried a rucksack? So this is like a bag with soldier with shoulder straps. So this is rucksack. So maybe yes, I have. And then number 5, have you ever made a campfire? So maybe no, I haven't. And then number 6, have you ever seen the stars? So yes, I have. So let's take a look at activity 2 here. So activity 2, complete the questions with have you ever and the correct verb. So you may refer to page 120 for grammar reference. So we are still on this present perfect tense. So this is an auxiliary verb. So another one, this is a pronouns, and then we add ever. So this is mostly about questions form or interrogative form. So the given answer for number 1. So this is number 1. And then maybe we underdefine the verb first before we go further. So map should be use. So this is number 2, use. And then number 3, so in the mountains using a campus. So usually is walk in the mountain. So number 3. And number 4, in a tent before. So this is usually sleep. So number 4. And then number 5, so a brown bear. So usually is C. Number 5. And then number 6, so a tent put up. So number 6. So this is totally up to you. You can do it until the end. So I will use this method here. A, have you ever been camping? No, I haven't. And then A again. So this is use. So you should write as have. Have you ever used? So we add a D here. So have you ever used a map? Yes, I have. I learned about maps at school. And then number 3, and have you ever walked? So have you So this is lowercase. Have you ever walked? So we add ed here. Have you ever walked in the mountains using a compass? No, I haven't. Is it difficult? No, it isn't. I will show you. So basically this is a compass here. So this is usually this is the analog one. So maybe you haven't seen it before. So this is a compass. So compass. And then number 4. So we start using have. Have you ever slept? So this is irregular verbs. You may refer to the last page for reference. So the past participle, slept. So have you ever slept in a tent before? No, I haven't. Is it scary? Sorry. No, but you must be careful of the wildlife. So number 5. Have you ever seen? Have you ever, so the past participle, seen. Have you ever seen a brown bear? Yes, I have, but only in the zoo. Okay, time for the tent. So number 6. Have you ever put up? Have you ever put up a tent before? No, I haven't. Oh dear, I can see that. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook. We are on page 31. So if you are okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can also watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram board that I developed